Okay. So for today's class, we are going to do some past reviews on the sketches that we learned. So on the sketches, sketch the graph of these functions. First of all, it is 2 to the power, sorry, y is equals to 2 upon x. So first of all, this should click that this is an example of a reciprocal function, because you can see that the variable, the x, is in the denominator, right? Whenever your variable x is in the denominator, it is a reciprocal function. And when it is a reciprocal function, you have the horizontal asymptote and vertical asymptote, both of them. And right now, I told you vertical asymptote is always your y-axis. Y-axis is always your vertical asymptote. So you can make a dotted line, because this is always the case for you, that y-axis will always be the vertical asymptote. So you can say that y-axis, you can label it, is the vertical asymptote. And then the horizontal asymptote, I told you, it was the thing which is being added over here. Plus, right now there is nothing being added. So plus 0. So this means y is equals to 0 is the horizontal asymptote. And y is equals to 0 is the line x-axis. X-axis is the y is equals to 0. So this means your horizontal asymptote is the x-axis. So x-axis, label it. This is your horizontal asymptote.
सर x कैसे 0 हुआ वापस?
Come again. क्या सवाल? What's the question?
x कैसे 0 हुआ वापस?
Because the form of the reciprocal function was this, a upon x plus b, and I told you whatever is being added, y is equals to b becomes your horizontal asymptote. And right now
Yes.
there is nothing being added, 0. So y is equals to 0 is the horizontal asymptote, and y is equals to 0 is the
और
line.
x का पूछो.
X axis is the y is equals to 0 line. सही है? Okay. And now
x अच्छा.
is y is equals to 0 line is the x axis, and x is equals to 0 line is the y axis.
ठीक है.
Make notes these, don't forget. And now the shape, I told you when your a is positive, right now you can see that your a is positive. It is positive 2. It is positive. So I told you it would be in the first and third quadrant. So your graph will go like this and go like this. It will not touch the asymptotes, and it will be in the first and the third quadrant. This is the first quadrant. This is the third quadrant. So this is what you will show in the exam as well, and you will get the complete answer. You labeled the horizontal asymptote, the vertical asymptote, and you showed where the graph is lying, and the overall the shape is will always be the same. This is the answer: horizontal and the vertical asymptote, and the placement of the curves. This is it. If there's any questions, you may ask. This is how you break down whatever the information is given to you. You compare it with the general form, and you break down whatever the information you have. You label them, and then you sketch it. Now we move on to the next one. Now this one, just by looking at the expression, this equation y is equals to 2 power negative x, you can say that this is an exponential equation, exponential graph, because you can see that the variable is in the power. Variable is in the power. And then the problem is that your variable is negative. Now you had two types. So if this would have been y is equal to 2 power x, right? This is the usual one that we have been doing, 2 power x. So this is a graph of exponential growth, we can say, exponential growth. So the general graph goes something like this, and it crosses the y axis at 1. But when your power is negative, it becomes exponential decay. Exponential decay means that now it would start with a higher value, bigger value, and then it would come towards 0. So this is the line for curve for 2 power minus x. This is exponential decay. When your power is negative. And if you compare it, there was another thing. It was like this: a r x plus b. This was the general form. And I told you, whatever is your b becomes your horizontal asymptote. And right now you can see there is nothing being added. Plus 0. There is nothing being added. So this means y is equal to 0, which is the x-axis. That will be your horizontal asymptote. X-axis will be your horizontal asymptote. So this means now you would label this as well. It's better to label. X-axis, horizontal asymptote. So your final answer will be this graph. Because now, because of the
सर तो आपने
negative,
फिर 1 पे क्यों टच किया?
because if you find the y-intercept, for the y-intercept, your x is 0. So y is equals to 2
Yes, okay,
power
awesome.
negative 0. So this would be 2 power 0, which would be 1. So it is passing through 0,
Yes, ठीक है, ठीक है.
and
2
there
पावर
is
-0 1 होगा या -1 होगा?
2 power minus 0 would be 0, and 2 power 0 is 1. Minus 0 0 था ना.
तो सर दोनों ढूंढना है या एक?
दोनों ढूंढना है, एक ढूंढना है. You are going to find the y-intercept for which your x is 0, and minus 1 times 0 is 0, and 2 power 0 is 1.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
Okay, so this part is
तो
the
2 पावर
new information for you,
2
because
पावर -0 is 1. Okay.
yeah, so if your power is negative, Misha or I think someone else was also having some problem and exponential. Let's see if we have some more examples. So this is a good one. 2 marks, easy 2 marks. You showed them. Look, the y-intercept. You showed it. It is 0, comma 1. You plotted. Your graph passes through it and the shape. Okay. Now moving on to the next one. This is 1 over x. We just did this one. And this had horizontal asymptote, x-axis, vertical asymptote, y-axis. Label it that this is an asymptote. This is an asymptote.
For first and third quadrant one. So sorry,
Yes,
second and
first and third.
yeah,
Yes,
first and third. First and third.
that's it. Then 4 power x. This is the simple one. The horizontal asymptote is plus 0.
0. So
So
x is 0.
the asymptote. And you find the y-intercept, and for the y-intercept, your x will be 0,
1.
and y is equals to 4 power 0, which will be 1. So it will pass through 0, comma 1. And this is positive x power. So this would be exponential growth. So it would go like this. It is growth. It is increasing. Any questions, anyone?
सर ये लेफ्ट से क्यों शुरू?
So
Left से शुरू हो. Exponential growth ना. Your power x is positive. Positive power. So this is exponential
तो
growth.
ऊपर वाला भी पॉजिटिव था.
नहीं, ऊपर वाला नेगेटिव था.
अच्छा ठीक है, 4 पावर -x था तो
It was
-0.
negative 2 power negative x.
हाँ सर.
Yes. क्या पूछ
वो
रहे
जो
हो?
ऊपर वाला था वो 2 पावर -x था तो 2 पावर -0 is equals to -1.
नहीं ना. Negative 0. What is minus 1 multiplied by 0?
1. नहीं, -1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0 0 0
0 ना. तो 2 power 0 क्या होता है? 1.
1.
So it doesn't matter if it is a negative 0 or 0. It is 0. And your y
तो
intercept
सर
will.
आपने फिर लेफ्ट से क्यों निकाला फिर?
That is because of the this it is negative, so it is decay, so it is going to decrease. Negative x, so it is going to decrease. And over here it is a positive x, so this would increase.
ऊपर जाओ वापस से, वापस ऊपर स्क्रीन। नेगेटिव, अच्छा नेगेटिव एक्स, अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है।
Okay, any other question, anyone? Okay, now you want the sketch of the graph of this y is equals to x minus c. This is a linear graph, you know, y is equals to mx plus c. So linear. So you need the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So x-intercept, sorry,
Oh,
y-intercept,
why my
x is
so
0.
why my minus 3 again?
Yeah, 0 minus 3 will be minus 3. So minus 3, 0 comma minus 3. And find the x-intercept, your y is 0. 0 is equals to x minus 3
Plus
and say x,
3.
yes. So 3 comma 0. And now you will join them and straight line. This is it.
सर
Yes.
जो ये -3 है, y इंटरसेप्ट होता है x -3, y इक्वल टू mx प्लस c, c y इंटरसेप्ट होता है, तो -3 y इंटरसेप्ट है।
Yes. Yes.
तो यू भी कर सकते हैं ना, या हमें x y
Yes.
को 0 का सब्स्टिट्यूट करना होता है,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
तो कौन सा करना होता है?
दोनों से हो जाएगा. You can get it using both of them.
अच्छा
You can
दोनों
just
से हो जाए, अच्छा।
दोनों से हो जाएगा. Okay. Now this one is a very interesting one. They have given you A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 7 graphs, and they are asking you to write down the letter for each of the graphs, for each of the equations that they have given you. So y is equals to x minus 2. Now,
D.
I told you many things about the gradient, if you can recall. We did the gradient part very deeply. So if you compare and find the gradient of this linear equation, it is, what is the gradient?
Minus 2.
Nahin, minus
X,
2 is the,
X.
yeah, no, x is the gradient. Toba karo, toba karo.
0 0
No, what is the
1
gradient?
सर,
1 is the gradient. Whatever is the coefficient of x is your gradient. 1 is the gradient, which is a positive gradient. And I told you, when your gradient is positive, the line is tilted to the right side.
राइट साइड।
So this means it is either this one
So D
or
here.
and your y-intercept. If you look at the y-intercept, it is -2. Yes, it is D. So y-intercept is -2. So in this one, it is passing to the negative y value. So this means D is the answer for this one. Then you have x is equals to -2. X is equals to -2 will be a vertical line where your
E.
x will always be -2. So you can see this line. Any point on this line will have an x value of -2, -2, -2, -2. So this is your E. Then you have
सर इसकी वैल्यू अनडिफाइंड होगी ना?
kiski value. The gradient will be
y,
undefined. The gradient will be undefined
हाँ हाँ वो,
because
ओके
it is a vertical line. And then part C, it is again a linear equation, and it has a gradient. What is the gradient of the part C?
Minus
-2
2.
Yes, which is a negative gradient, which means that the line will be tilted to the left side. So there is only one line which is tilted to the left side.
G.
G.
लेकिन सर इसका y इंटरसेप्ट तो 4 है। अच्छा अच्छा ओके हाँ ठीक है,
+4.
D।
Then you have x square -4. X square means now this is a quadratic. It is a parabola. And you can see that
+4 -4,
your A is 1. The coefficient of x square is 1, which is positive. So this would be a smiley face. So a smiley face is only one of it. F.
F.
y
F.
हाँ?
This one.
सॉरी हाँ f, सॉरी मैं ऊपर वाला देख रहा था।
Okay. And you can see the y-intercept will also be -4. If you put in your x as 0, your y will come out as -4. So which is over here -4?
सर
Yes.
पैराबोला क्या होता है?
This shape is called a parabola. This smiley face or the sad face. This is called a parabola.
इतना अजीब नाम है सर.
I don't use this word much, but you should know this. Okay, any questions, anyone?
No, sir.
Move on forward. Okay.
Yes, sir.
तो अगर लेस देन 0 होगा तो फिर स्माइली फेस होगा.
Yes, if the coefficient of x square is negative, then it will be a. Now this is interesting. Then it will be a smiley. Oh, sorry, sad face. So this is show that can be written down. You know that is algebra expansion, right? Expansion.
Sir,
If you want to
Sane,
expansion, you people know how to do it, right? We are going to work on the graph part. They would ask you to sketch this on a graph. The second part was sketching it. So I told you, what do you need? You need the x-intercept, you need the y-intercept, and you should know the general shape of the graph. So you can see the coefficient, the a is positive. The coefficient of x cube, a is positive. So this means it will start from the third and it will go to the first, the shape. And find the y-intercept if x is 0. So your y will come
that's
out as
it.
minus 5 times 0 plus 2 times 0 plus 8. So y is 8. So the coordinate is 0 comma 8. So 2, 4, 6. Let's suppose this is 8.
चलिए वापस समझा दो ना.
I'm
पता
finding
नहीं
the
मेरा इंटरनेट चले गया.
y-intercept is, if I put my x as 0, you get the y value. That is your y-intercept. So you plotted that as well. And then you need the
हेलो.
x. Hello. आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the x-intercepts. So for the x-intercepts, your y is 0. So if you put in your y as 0, so 0 is equals to x minus 4, x plus 1, x minus 2. So x minus 4 is equals to 0, x plus 1 is equals to 0, and x minus 2 is equals to 0. And so your x is 4, x is minus 1, x is 2. Plot these. Minus 1 and 2 and minus and 4. This is the fourth one. And now you will join them. We know that the shape, it would go from the third and will start from the third and then end at the first. So it will start like this, and then it will turn and then come down, pass through the second intercept, then turn, pass through the third intercept, and then go up. This is the answer. So 0 comma 8
Yes, sir.
minus 1 comma 0, 2 comma 0, and 4 comma 0. Okay, any questions, anyone?
No, sir.
Ishal, Misha, all clear?
सर
क्या
इसमें
हुआ?
फर्स्ट टू थर्ड कोऑर्डिनेट क्यों लिखा है?
Come again, बारी बारी. साद, क्या क्या बोल रहा है ये? I don't understand.
मैं कह रहा हूँ मैं
इब्राहिम
इब्राहिम
बोल
बोल
रहा
रहा
है.
हूँ.
इब्राहिम बोल रहा है. इब्राहिम बोलो
जी मुझे ये क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आया सर.
क्या समझ में नहीं आया? What did you do?
सर वो जो ये सेकंड पार्ट है y कुछ x क्यूब माइनस 5x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 8 वाला.
The first part, they're just asking you to expand this fully.
जी
Show
वो तो
them this
समझ आ गई.
equation. That you will get this equation, okay. And then they're asking you to sketch it. The second part was to sketch it. So this is what we're doing, sketching it. And we need some information, right? We need the x-intercepts, we need the y-intercepts, we need the general shape from where till where it will go. So the value of a is right now, you can see 1. The coefficient of x cube, it is 1. So it is positive. So this means that it will go from the third to the first. This is something, open up your notes, you will see that. I have told you. If your a is positive in a cubic graph, then it starts from the third and goes to the first quadrant. This is the third quadrant. This is the first quadrant. And then I found the
सर
y-intercept.
इसमें से क्वाड्रेंट से क्या लेना देना?
This is telling us in which quadrant it is starting from and where it will go. And
अच्छा यू ओके अच्छा ठीक है.
then I found the y-intercept. For y-intercept, I put in my x as 0. So 0, 0, 0, and your y will come out as 8. So 0, 8 is the point. And then I found the x-intercept. For x-intercepts, your y are 0. So this thing, factorized form is the best form to get the x-intercepts. Factored form.
Yes, sir.
Factored form for x-intercepts. Always. You want the solutions, right? And for the solutions, factorized form is the best one. So you equate it to 0, and then you found the 3 solutions for x. And these are the x-intercepts. -1, 4, and 2. I plotted them, and then I joined them with a smooth curve. This is it.
सर जब मैंने पहले इसमें ये सवाल किया था ना, तब मुझे ये समझ नहीं आई थी कि ये जो बाद में दिया ना, जो इसको कहते हैं पूरा सॉल्व किया है, उसका
हम्म।
मैंने उससे हमें क्या एक्स वाई की फाइंड एक्स पहले फाइंड था, इसलिए मैं तो
हम्म।
सही नहीं आया। अब ये तो ये फैक्टर्ड फॉर्म है क्या ना, इसे
Factored form is
ग्राफ में आपका
to solve for the y-intercepts. Sorry, x-intercepts. You
यस
want the solutions for the equation, so factored form is the best one. Okay? Good.
कैसे
Okay, moving on. What type of a graph is this? It's a simple. Which one is it? Quadratic, reciprocal, cubic.
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 Yes.
Cubic.
correct
Eh? Quadratic. Cubic. It's a cubic graph. Quadratic is a parabola like this or like this. This is a cubic graph. Exponential, reciprocal is like this. Quadratic is either smiley face or sad face. This is the asymptote. Cubic is like this or like this. Exponential is like this, or it comes down like this. Linear is a straight line.
yes sir.
Okay, you should know this now. You have done a lot of questions. Okay, then you have sketched the following. This is 1/2x when x is not 0. So this is also a reciprocal. So it would be the same. Reciprocal would be like this. So and this y-axis and the x-axis are the asymptote.
Also, first and third pocket will be a positive.
Yes, because your a is positive. It is 1/2. 1/2 is a positive number. So it is in the third and the first.
सर ये जो 2x है इसमें 2 को तो नहीं छेड़ेंगे ना, क्योंकि वो x के साथ नहीं है.
नहीं, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा उससे. 1/2x can also be, you can write down 0.5/x, but it will be the same thing. Okay, moving on. Yes, interesting one. 3 marks. Sketch the curve x cube minus 4x. So you would need x-intercept, and for that your y is 0.
y 0.
0 is equals to x cube minus 4x. Alhamdulillah. And then what do? You have to factorize it. So if you take x common, you will get x square minus 4. And then you further factorize it using the identities. So you
yes
will get
sir.
minus
x plus 4x minus 4.
and x plus 2 using the third identity. Third identity is the one.
सेकंड मतलब कि सेकंड वाली वो उसमें ये इसमें यूज हो सकती है ना, सेकंड वाली.
Second wali, no. Why? This is not a whole square. You just have the square on the x, not the whole square.
लेकिन फिर हम क्यूबिक तो स्क्वायर डाल सकते हैं. मैं 4 पे
पूरे स्क्वायर 4 के ऊपर स्क्वायर डालो ना. x स्क्वायर minus 4 स्क्वायर. इट इज नॉट a x minus 4 होल स्क्वायर नहीं है.
नहीं, हम 4 को as 2 स्क्वायर भी लिख सकते हैं ना, फिर हम
Yes.
सेकंड आइडेंटिटी भी यूज
Yes,
कर सकते
नहीं, ये कर दिया. Now how would you use the second identity?
हैं. ये भी है.
This is the third identity. Hadi, we call this one the third identity. This to factorize it. And now we can get the 3 solutions. So x will be 0, x will be minus 2, and x will be plus 2. You also find the y-intercept. For the y-intercept, your x will be 0. And if x is 0, everything would become 0. 0 cube minus 4 times 0 So 0. So you have another point, 0, 0. So 0, 0, -2, +2. And because your coefficient is positive, it is equals to 1. Coefficient is 1. So it will go from the third
So from third to
to
1.
the first. So it will start like this, घूमेगा. Oh, sorry. Start like this, turn, like this. मिस ही हो जाता है. Okay. Any questions, anyone?
No, sir.
Ishal, Misha, Seher.
No,
Special.
sir.
Okay, good. Then we have this one. Okay, this is the last one. Okay, so hopefully we'll end this class after this one. If you have any questions, and I gave you some homework. We'll discuss 1 or 2 questions from the homework, and then we will end it. And then hopefully, if we have time, we will start a new topic on the last thing that we were doing, coordinate geometry. So on the graph, sketch the following. So this is a quadratic. We know x is a square, so this is a quadratic.
So y plus 1 y-intercept.
So you will find what? Y plus 1 what?
So y-intercept is +1.
Yes, y-intercept is +1. Y-intercept is equals to, when your x is 0, so y is equals to 0 plus 0 plus 1. So y is equals to 1, 0, 1. But before everything, before finding the x-intercept or the y-intercept, we have to find the turning point. Whenever it is quadratic, find the turning point, which is h, k. You convert it into completing the square form. So h is -2 upon, sorry, minus b upon 2a, which in this case is -4 upon 2 times 1, which is -2. And your k is c square minus b upon 4a. So c square is 1 square minus b is 4 upon 4a. 4 times 1.
4.
4 brackets 1.
So 4 upon 4 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So your turning point is -2, 0. So -2, 0 is over -1, -2.
Left side में.
And you have the y-intercept. So now your graph would go something like this. Oh, sorry.
सर उसके बाकी के पॉइंट है वो नहीं करेंगे हम लोग जो हमने
No.
सिर्फ टर्निंग पॉइंट और जो एक्स एंड वाई वाली जो वैल्यू बस वो काट देना है जो बाकी के पॉइंट की जरूरत नहीं है ग्राफ स्केच बना देना है बस.
Yes.
अच्छा
You don't need the other point. That's it.
ठीक है.
The shape, the intercept, the x and the y-intercept, the turning point. And in this case, the x-intercept is the same as the turning point. So it's even easier. This is the formula for your h and this is the formula for your k. Memorize this if you still have not memorized.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All good? Any questions, anyone?
No, sir.
Now we can successfully end this topic completely because we have done the logic, the background, the past papers as well.